Hello everyone and welcome back to Life with Louis, aka Louis' Food Review. Now today I am in the kitchen. It's a restaurant in Sidcup. They're sort of like a cafe. They're a cafe, bistro, coffee bar. And I have just ordered a cappuccino and a fish finger sandwich. Now, I just had a chat with the man who owns it, the owner, and he seems like a really nice man. He was saying how he's opened 3 times through lockdown, and he's still providing this excellent quality. He's still providing this excellent quality food and atmosphere. Now this looks really nice, really clean, superb. They've got music playing in the background for a little, yeah, so please leave your comments in the section below. Thank you. I've just been given my coffee. I ordered a cappuccino. Let me just spin you around for this. Look at that. I love the design on them. You can always tell what they're like with the design, and that's a nice design. Weird how people can do that. Let's try it. Cheers. Oh, that's a nice cappuccino. Full of coffee. Strong enough to wake you up in the morning. Yeah, so leave a like on this video. Part 2 is coming back on the video after. So I've just had my coffee, just been given my coffee. Wait to see part 2. Alright? Leave in the comment section below how you like this. I'm using a stand today, guys, so I'm trying to work it out. So leave in the comment section below how you think it looks. And thank you very much. See you in part 2.